Hello guys, welcome to my farm. This is Dafik Talawest, and today I just want to show you where I'm at the moment. Since my chicks arrived, I've done wonderful. I've just done, all vaccination is done, and I'll give you the trick on how you do your vaccination. Tomorrow I'm just doing the fowlpox vaccination. I don't intend to call a vet, I'll be the vet. I've been learning from YouTube and other sources, so about the skill, and I'm ready to do it. The 500 chicks, I'll do it. So guys, here are my chicks. As you can see, I've done all vaccination from Newcastle on the 6th day up to the Lasota NCD Newcastle. So I'm doing fine. The mortality rates were not that bad. I just lost 6 birds here. Now I have 514. Yeah, 514 birds. I'm doing the deep litter system, so I've managed to change the litter, so not that bad. I'm doing fine. I have to be very cautious because when the litter are too dirty, they might get coccidiosis. Yeah, that's the disease. So you must be very, very keen with the litter if you're doing deep litter. So, and I give you the trick. If you want to vaccinate your chicks very well, so that you make sure all your chicks are fully vaccinated, the trick is, if it's Gumboro or Newcastle, the trick is here. Just starve the chicks for about 2 hours without water. After 2 hours, dilute your medicine. It's in 10 kgs, in 10 liters of water with your vaccine, either Gumboro or Newcastle, and then that is the water you give first before feeding, because you have starved them. They will be thirsty, so just give it 30 minutes. The water will be done and your chicks will be fully vaccinated. That's the trick. That's the trick, because if you have 500 chicks, you cannot, maybe if you have labor, you cannot do the eye drop all of them. So just do the easy one, which you use in the drinking water, and that's the trick. Just starve them with water and without water, and you'll get the results. So mine are fully vaccinated, so I'm happy. The mortality was low. The first 3 weeks I did the chick cramps, which they did very well. They brought the chicks very, very well. Now I'm doing the chick mash, and they're taking 21 kgs per day. You can imagine 50 kgs just 2 days, you are done. So if you want to do chicken farming, you have to be prepared, because 70% of your cost is feeds. So you have to be very, very prepared. And mine are layers. So these are pure layers from Kenchik. So in the next 4 months, I'm expecting here to have eggs. So to the customers, I'm just advertising early. In the next 2 to 3, 4 months here, I'm having eggs, 15 trays, expecting 15 trays per day. That's what I'm projecting. So you must be keen. Always ensure the cleanliness of your feeders. The feeders must be clean enough. Your drinkers must be clean also. You should have enough feeders for them to grow perfect, so that they should not compete for feeds. Make sure your feeders are correctly placed. As you can see, mine, they are spaced enough very well, so they can feed perfectly fine. And yeah, that's provide them with clean water. So those are the basics. As you can see, these are clean water, hanged very fine. Those are the key things you must do if you want to do poultry farming. So I've just enclosed here because I'm getting another wood shavings so they can put them and then open the space, because each time they grow the space is getting smaller. So guys, this is how far I've gone. So tomorrow I'll be showing you give me my food full pox vaccination, but I'm fine. So that's the update from the farm. So far so good. Mortality has been low because I've been so keen in vaccination, cleanliness, and feeding. That's very, very key. So guys, if you want to do poultry farm, you need to be thorough in your cleanliness. The food part must be there. Biosecurity is key, so you don't have to compromise anything, so that no one that comes in here is disinfected, so that you don't get any disease from outside. So guys, that's the update from the farm. So far so good. Tomorrow we're doing the full pox, and I'll be showing you how the full pox is done on the wings of the chicks. What I've missed, I'll share with you in the next video, but see you guys. From me to you, adios muchachos.